In my last video I said at the start that I went without a plan, and nothing has changed as I find myself heading towards Hurst Castle in Hampshire. I'm not sure why, I just needed to get out and take photos. I guess it's good for the soul. Parking sorted, it was now time to see what conditions God had given me and what moments of inspiration my foggy brain could come up with. Here is an obligatory B-roll shot of me walking across a bridge. I'm not sure why I do things like this. I don't like doing it, and does it really make the video any better? I don't know. I'll let you decide. And even with that dead cat fuzzy thing on my microphone, the wind was causing a problem. And bright sunshine mid-morning meant the filters were out. A 6-stop filter for this, it's average, but it's the first shot, so let's at least celebrate that. And here is another one of those B-roll moments. Don't expect too many of these today. Does it add to the story? I don't know. Let me know down below. And I'm not going to pretend this was a complicated 9-photo pano stitched together. It wasn't. It was one shot cropped, so the credit for this goes to the 45 megapixel Canon R5. Still, I liked it. From a composition point of view, I love this, but I'm not keen on the top left hand corner. I think I need to brighten that area as it seems to dominate the photo. Oh shit, another one of these shots. Well, maybe this is the last one, who knows. We all know that I don't plan these things. I think I like this one. The red boat does it for me. This one, not so much. Probably too tightly cropped or something. I've no idea. What do I know? It was though, at this point I started noticing how great the sky was. So here's a shot of a bush. And some boats. This one though, picture average, sky was the reason for taking it. Yep, this may become a theme for the rest of the video. One of my favourites from today. Love the composition, love the sky, love the colours. Maybe things are looking up. This is one of my favourites, I'm not sure why. In high res it is just so sharp, and it's a pleasing capture. I think looking at it closer the composition would have been better if I'd have moved left and lined this boat up with this gap, but hey, I'll take what I can get at this stage. The water leading into the castle makes this photo for me, not so much the subject, but I'm just trying to do the best I can with a hand I've been dealt. This one, perhaps I shouldn't have included it. Nothing great here. And here's one that I just like the simplicity of. Now, if you happen to have a phobia of lighthouses, then it may be a good time to look away now and go and make a cup of tea, or maybe even put on another video altogether. The first two are definitely the strongest, this one in particular. The moody skies start to move away, which means my shoot was virtually over. Okay, so that's it. That's my walk out to Hurst
castle. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think of the photos. If you've made it this far, hopefully you liked them. If you didn't make it this far, you're never hearing this anyway, and you probably didn't like them, so don't leave a comment. But that's it for this week's video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, because that does help the channel and the video, and subscribe if you want to see more photography content from me. See you later.